Today we replaced the wire harness for the ABS wheel sensor on the 2008 Saturn Vue. It all started one day with the traction control and Stabilitrack warning lights plus ABS light just came on. After checking the brake fluid, we decided to check the ABS wheel speed sensor wires by jacking up each wheel and check for any visible sign of broken ABS wires and fittings. It ended up being the front passenger side wire harness only. It looks like it caught on something and it pulled the wire close to the socket here. What that means, we only need to replace the wire harness, in which is sold separate for this vehicle, and not have to replace the wheel speed sensor. We turned the steering wheel all the way to the left to get a better view of the harness plug. Then with a pick tool, or just your thumb, lift the clip lock and pull it out of the sensor, and there it is. The plug on the other end is here, similar to the other. Lift the clip lock with your index finger and pull it out of the plug. Then undo the clips from the two fasteners holding it to the brake hose, like that. Avoid damaging these, since they keep the wire from rubbing and getting caught on any of these moving parts. This is the weird part of this design. The cable is secured to the same bolt-in bracket that holds the brake line. So we suggest to snap a picture before unbolting it instead of trying to remember the way it was. Using a 50mm socket, we proceed to unbolt it. Once the old cable wire is off, the new one is very simple to install. The white plug goes to the sensor here, and the black plug goes to the wheel well socket here. Then this bracket gets bolted back on here with the brake line bracket, like that. So we start by first plugging it to the black socket by the wheel well. Then we line up the two brackets same as the old one was. Insert the bolt and tighten. Now insert the wire to the clips attached to the brake line. Finally, we plug the other end. After straightening the wheel and putting the tire back on, we start the vehicle. You'll see the ABS light off, but the traction lights will still be on until you move the vehicle about 10 feet, and then the lights should turn off. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video. And you all have a great day.